It's Techno-Geezer. Again, I wanted to show you a little more on this Amiga, what I decided to do to modernize a little more and replace the hard drive that was in the machine that's, you know, from the 90s. So it's making some funny noises, and I didn't trust a hard drive that's, what, 30 years old, something like that. So here's the original hard drive. It's 340 megabytes, plenty of space for, 1991 or whenever it was that I put this in here. And this is the new hard drive. It's basically an SD card that lives on this little SCSI to SD converter, and I 3D printed a little bracket to hook it on. And basically what you do is you take this card with this whatever hard drive you want in there, air quotes, and you take it over to your laptop and plug in a USB cable, and you some low-level information on there, so to make it look like a SCSI device. You tell it, is it SCSI device 1 or 2 or whatever. I made this one SCSI device 1 because this one was 0. The idea is I boot them both and then copy all the information over, and we're good to go. So here's the partitioning screen once you get it back in the Amiga, and you can do your low-level format. I chose to do 3 different partitions. Each one of those partitions is 625 megabyte, and my original hard drive was 340 for the whole thing. So a lot more space now than I had before. By today's standards, that's not much space, but by a 1988 computer standard, that's tons and tons of room. So I was able to do that, and I was originally going to move this back to 1, but or 0, but it boots off of 1 just fine. So when the smoke cleared, I got this old hard drive out of the machine, and I've got this new device in there, and I was good to go.